In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purge in AutoCAD. Whether you're looking to reduce the file size of your AutoCAD files, tidy them up, or simply remove any unused or unnecessary elements, purging is an effective way to streamline your project. By getting rid of these excess components, you're not only making your file more manageable and efficient, but you're also enhancing performance, which can be particularly beneficial when sharing files or working on large and complex projects. Let's dive right in. To start purging your AutoCAD file, you'll need to access the command line. This is a powerful tool in AutoCAD where you can enter specific commands to perform a wide variety of functions. Simply look for the command line interface, which is typically found at the bottom of your AutoCAD workspace. Once you have your command line ready, you're going to type in the command word PURGE. After typing PURGE, press the Enter key. This command prompts AutoCAD to open the Purge dialog box. This dialog box is a central hub where you'll execute the purging of unnecessary objects from your file. Now, within this Purge dialog box, you'll see several options. To effectively remove all unused items, you should select the Purge All button. By clicking Purge All, AutoCAD will automatically scan your file for objects, blocks, and layouts that aren't in use. This includes anything from unused layers and styles to blocks and other definitions that are no longer necessary. When you click on Purge All, AutoCAD goes ahead and cleans up your drawing, removing all those things that are just taking up space. It's kind of like doing a digital cleanup of your closet. You're keeping only what you need and use regularly, which not only tidies things up, but also ensures your file doesn't get bogged down by unnecessary data. After the purge is complete, you'll get a confirmation message showing what was purged. It's always a great practice to double-check this log, mainly if you're working on a collaborative project or handling a very detailed design. This way, you know exactly what has been removed, and you can reassure yourself and your team that no essential parts of your drawing have accidentally been deleted. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully purged your AutoCAD file, removing all unused components. Whether you're preparing a project for sharing with a client, or just aiming to keep your digital workspace in order, this straightforward process goes a long way in ensuring your files remain efficient and clutter-free. Thanks for watching, and happy purging!